Let's be real. Manifesting money feels impossible when your bank account is gasping for air and you can't see a way out. But what if I told you, you're not stuck? You're just out of alignment. I know what it's like to feel like you're drowning in bills, smiling on the outside, but secretly panicking inside. And I'm here to tell you something you need to hear. This, right now, is not your final destination. It's just the plot twist before your glow up. You are not broke. You're not bad with money. You're not unlucky. You're just tuned into an old frequency. And it's time to change the channel. The shift begins here. Here's the truth. Money doesn't come because you hustle harder. Money comes when your identity aligns with abundance. That means you don't manifest wealth by chasing it. You manifest wealth by becoming the version of you who naturally attracts it. If you've been stuck in the cycle of "I can't afford that" or "money never lasts," then guess what? You've been unconsciously playing the lead role in a movie called Financial Struggle, the Sequel. Let's rewrite the script. Rewire your mind. Rewire your bank. Every belief you've absorbed about money, that it's hard to get, that you're not good with it, that you need to suffer for it, is just a story. And the only reason it feels bad is because your soul knows it's a lie. You've got millionaire energy buried under years of programming. But the moment you stop identifying with lack, the moment you stop talking about your money problems like they're facts, you stop feeding them. The quantum truth. Your subconscious is so powerful, it literally mirrors your self-image into your reality. So if you see yourself as broke, the universe will keep handing you experiences to confirm it. But if you see yourself as abundant, even before the cash shows up, life will start bending around that version of you. The shift happens inside first, and then reality has no choice but to catch up. Vision first, then physical proof. Close your eyes. Picture your dream life. The home, the bank balance, the ease. Now feel it. Really feel it. Because the more real it is in your imagination, the more magnetic it becomes in the physical. Say it with me. I am wealthy now. I am financially free. Money flows to me like waves to the shore. Biggest mistake, reacting to the outer world. Most people block their abundance because they react. They see the low balance. They freak out. They get the bill. They spiral. They believe the illusion. But you? You're not like most people anymore. Next time fear creeps in, say, I walk through this reality, but I do not belong to it. Hold your power, even when your 3D reality is throwing a tantrum. Trust the grace period. Manifestation isn't Amazon Prime, babe. It takes time. It takes trust. Don't plant the seed of your new reality and dig it up every day to see if it's growing. Hold the vision, even when nothing has changed yet. Embody the energy. Now. Here's the final key. Stop waiting for money to feel wealthy. Flip it. Feel wealthy now, and the money comes to match your vibe. That's called the law of reversibility. Act like someone who always has more than enough. Speak like it. Move like it. Believe it. Because when you embody it, you become it.